Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PJET. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So we'll map out some levels of support and resistance, and just kind of keep an eye on all the different dynamics of the chart here. First, we'll talk about areas of support, and the first one is what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above 0055. So 0055, definitely an ideal area. With that being said, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that implies that the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area. Oh, that makes it easy. Down at 0045. So 0055, 0045, two of those near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I'm quantifying as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, sure, staying above 0055 or 0045, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing complicated here. The party finally stopped today up there at the 0068 mark. So 0068, maybe a little minor area. But in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on chipping away and building higher lows and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.